General Manager Jongka Brahmaputra Pon Haringkat Wemeli MDC Karanikor Constituency lembat ki officer ke Central Water Commission Shillong minta kasi kila hiar jurim yakashnang mau shalia ka mai lambi ka jama dua kibadan markham bat ka wa umni haka baki ni kishnang ya minta kidan hapreng ka jingma namar jong ka jingbam jong ka ya ka kendo andala poi ka por yur Namar kata banlong ka jingeda na kabenta kite gishnong kiba markham bat kawa umni nakalyang jong uba Pius Marwin MLA MDC Karanikor Constituency haringkat u General Manager ka Brahmaputra Bon u E Kumar lembat kiwede kilahyar jurep hadu kijaka bashna yaki kenro tang kata kani ka jingwan jurim ka deiru na ka jingpen sngau jong ki padba ba kim hun ya ka ei ba kani ka bot kala dep banshna kumta de halor kata ka nongrim ba menta ka sngi ki he officer kila hap ban wan pet ringkat ka jing snap ki jing ai jingmun jong ki shnang ki badan hakite ki jaka
ये बताओ ये कितने दिनों से ये तो बहुत सालों से ये एस्टेब्लिशमेंट है ना
ai kumple phi baro ki ba tenga desnong na balat nga songkha na po moslia tenga kwa ban thu phi sipang kane ka snong moslia bajia babam snong apo moslia te bat kawai mata na apo moslia la long kumba asnam mata la don hi la bam kane ka snong temta ki wan na ki company na po Brahmaputra bat ki brusnong te ki wan ban kli ki brusnong ban sna kumno ban le kumno tengi ki brusnong long bam tip baha ban batai na mar ngiro eljong pat kule puthi te pat nang baha ban batai te don ki engineer ki bon ki engineer by wan na po Brahmaputra ane bat ki male yum tala ya wan lang ne ba fuse marwen te bat ki brusnong te dang pan bai hi ban le kumno ban pan bahai kane ka snong moslia ne kam tam po west kasil jungin ta te menta pada kila ong ban masya ki wan season kila wan hangne ban le kane ka yu ka sekdam te la sa objek no namar bambiang terekam te menta pada la wan biang kine ki beru company berki busnong te ban le pan bait ban le kuno ban pan bai kine ka snong muslia te menta dang pan bait hi menta tang kane
for the purpose of suggesting some measures basically for the making this project more efficient and more improved kind of thing and just we are also taking the views from the villagers and local community also so that their inspiration and other can be also be met out. So this is the main objective of today's visit of this committee and this is a technical committee and we have members from NIH, Central Water Commission, we have a professor from AEC in this committee and WRD, the additional chief engineer is also there and Central Water Commission AC is also accompanying in this committee. So we are going to suggest some measures basically to make this so that this what measure we have taken so far is more sustainable and it serves the purpose for which this we are taking.
When are you supposed to complete this project?
This project is timeline is 2 years basically and within timeline we will complete it. Probably 2026.
And these are boulder resources in crates. We have in this portal we have 5 such networks. So like we would like to know sir what is the because our contractors they have been restricted from like doing this work. So because the villagers have some issues. So what are the issues we'll certainly like to know because this is for the basically for the people only and we are doing as per the approved DPR. So like we'll certainly like to use issues. So that is why the committee is yes. That is why our government has also yes.
To see from the villages, we want to ask from them also. Maksudnya nomor
Ngelawan dan semua biang berinspek mereka wa umni ke bani sekot di balakol tenda daka bama putra bot balakot saka khatha krul mat nang bopa khatha krul sene jike jikre kala ya chachat kumba phari i gumne tama kadon pat ke jaka kaba kasnong kam sngohun kasnong kam sngohun habai dei buka jikre de ngilaya wan chengo ongne kat baki bor joka bama putra bot ada uhe joka bama putra bot mataki engineer napo ka pamok rabot dekat bat napo ka state additional CE joka water resources joka state ini hingga ngilawan pe ja juga ang ni kidon sisa kita kejaka ka bakas nong kam semuanya hap aja patum kacing ne patum kacing rey ya kati kre ya dia jadi ngila juan juga ang ni wilayah tembet dan ka pamok rabot kala priang ni kata bakidon kejaka ki bahapan tembet mai hapan tembet mai katum kacing don kam jom mereka cing pam jom mereka kok mereka wa uni di nakliang ke jonga mereka por di dekat bagi nong hi jonga mereka senong katai tinggi lap pau ya ka cing ke bagi kendo ang ni mo pila lap di isnem por ki baladat kene ko wa uni dan yipet kita ke motor ngim don ye ndai ndang lap hai ka por yur pat kolong ka ba ima hadu kata ni dokumen ba ka balat satai akhirnya kisnem por ki baladep nilayo kasaksyon ke ba sipau tam de ke citre kala pendep chatai menta ke balat hadu menta kam don e ke cinta mereka dala ida suwe ka bampat sa suwe menta kala bam sa sini hanya lam mau celia sama jama duar ko kora dan nilawan berjumpa kumne ti ba kli ini ke citre kala ya cacaj to ke cingada kala long to de kita pergi cakap kumbang ala omne bangin sohut tinggal ya discuss bet ya kaniru ki ongba kin sale kin sapan pan susu ya ka sanction mai ma bakat kum ka TPR kat ka jengmang juga tendar kemudap te ki lai kum bejang ni asajin ya kale ke jongkiru kila kubur bakit sa syong ya kata komiti ke jongki te kin sa pendap susu ya ke ka jenon kam habe dei ben kumbu ben yada susu ya kenika ha kenika nong kata ketika jengwan jumi kata kesnya